Goodbye, aching knees and stiff joints. We're about to reveal 10 collagen-rich fruits you must eat after 60, including some rare ones most people don't even know about. As we age, collagen, the protein that keeps our joints cushioned and skin firm, plummets. Less collagen means weaker cartilage, painful knees, and hips, and yes, sagging, wrinkled skin. It's the reason so many seniors feel stiff and achy. But what if your fruit bowl could help restore your body's natural collagen? The good news, nature has a remedy. Research shows certain fruits, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and even special enzymes, can supercharge your body's collagen production. These fruits act like biological powerhouses, strengthening your skin and joints from within. And we're not just talking oranges here. Some of these collagen boosters are exotic secrets that most people don't even know about. Stay with us till the end for the #1 fruit that outshines even oranges and berries combined in collagen power. Before we jump in, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Repair Our Health. Join our community for more natural health tips to keep you strong, pain-free, and youthful at any age. Thank you for your support. Now let's count down the 10 best collagen-boosting fruits for healthy aging. We'll start with some great choices and end with the greatest one of all. Make sure to watch until #1. It's a true collagen powerhouse that can revitalize your body from the inside out. Number 10. Papaya, a tropical classic for collagen. Papaya is not only rich in vitamin C, it also contains papain, a special enzyme that helps your body use collagen-building nutrients more effectively. Ever wonder why papaya extract shows up in so many skin creams? Now you know. Papain acts like a collagen helper, breaking down proteins so your body can absorb collagen-building nutrients more efficiently. When you eat papaya, you're not just getting vitamin C, you're helping your system use it effectively. The result? Smoother skin and more flexible joints thanks to papaya's digestive magic aiding collagen production. Number 9. Pineapple. This delicious fruit contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme with anti-inflammatory effects. That's right, pineapple isn't just sweet, it's like natural medicine for your joints, helping fight the inflammation that comes with age. Bromelain in pineapple helps reduce joint pain and stiffness. It's been shown to soothe inflammation in knees and other joints. By adding pineapple to your diet, you're giving your joints a natural anti-inflammatory boost, helping you move with ease. Number 8. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, even blackcurrants. These bite-sized fruits are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. That means they fight off free radicals that try to break down your collagen. In other words, berries are like bodyguards for your collagen. The antioxidants in berries preserve collagen and maintain skin elasticity. For example, strawberries are rich in vitamin C to build collagen, while dark berries like blackcurrants and blueberries provide anthocyanins that shield your collagen from aging damage. Snack on a mix of berries and you're literally defending your youth and joint health with every bite. Number 7. Pomegranate, a true superfruit. Pomegranate is loaded with ellagic acid, a special antioxidant that works as a collagen guardian. It shields your collagen fibers from damage, helping keep them intact even as you age. What's more, pomegranate doesn't just protect collagen, it also helps spark new collagen growth. Compounds in pomegranate actually signal your body to ramp up collagen production. The payoff? Stronger joints and firmer, younger-looking skin. Pomegranate is like a natural anti-aging pill wrapped in a ruby red fruit. Number 6. Kiwi. Don't underestimate this little fruit. Kiwis pack a powerful combo of vitamin C and vitamin E. Together, those vitamins play a crucial role in collagen formation and protection. Kiwi is a 2-in-1 punch. It helps build new collagen and shields it at the same time. Vitamins C and E in kiwi help improve your skin's elasticity, meaning your skin stays firm and snaps back like it used to. And boosting collagen with kiwi can also lead to stronger ligaments and less stiffness in your joints. Kiwi may be small, but it's a mighty ally for keeping you limber and youthful. Number 5. Acerola cherry. This tiny cherry is a vitamin C bombshell. It can pack up to 30 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's huge for collagen production because vitamin C is the fuel your body needs to make collagen. By enjoying acerola, you support firm skin, resilient joints, and even stronger blood vessels. Try acerola in a morning smoothie or as a fresh juice shot. It's honestly one of nature's most concentrated collagen boosters. Even a small serving is, an easy daily boost that can flood your body with collagen-building vitamin C. Number 4. Camu. Straight from the Amazon, this little fruit is absolutely packed with vitamin C, among the highest levels of any plant on Earth. All that vitamin C fuels collagen formation, helps strengthen your cartilage, and might even ease joint stiffness with its anti-inflammatory benefits. Just add camu powder to water or a smoothie. It's a simple way to flood your body with collagen-supporting nutrients. A small daily dose of camu can, honestly, give your joints and skin a big boost. Number 3. Guava, the vitamin C superfruit. This tropical treasure can have 4 times more vitamin C than an orange, leaving most fruits in the dust. That makes guava one of the richest vitamin C sources on the planet and a powerful collagen booster. Eating guava helps you rebuild collagen faster and stronger, keeping your joints cushioned and your skin smooth. Include guava in your routine. Toss it into fruit salads, blend it in smoothies, or just enjoy it fresh. It's a delicious way to fight aging from the inside out, supplying your body with tons of collagen-building nutrition. With each bite, you're helping to rebuild collagen and keep your body youthful. Number 2. Sea buckthorn, a rare berry bursting with collagen-friendly nutrients. This little powerhouse delivers a unique blend of vitamin C, vitamin E, and rare omega-7 fatty acids, a combination that not only supports collagen production, but also nourishes your skin and joints deeply. These beauty omegas strengthen cell membranes, helping skin stay supple and joints stay cushioned. Add just a few drops of sea buckthorn oil to your tea, smoothie, or water, and you're giving your body a natural daily tonic, one that feeds your cells with nutrients that support collagen, reduce joint stiffness, and keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Let's move on to our top collagen-boosting fruit. Number 1. Amla, the ultimate collagen king. This small, humble fruit is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on Earth, far beyond oranges or even most exotic superfruits. Amla doesn't just boost collagen production, it supercharges it, helping rebuild cartilage, smooth wrinkles, and keep your joints flexible as you age. Enjoy Amla fresh, in juice, or blended into smoothies. However you choose, you're fueling your body's collagen factory. With every sip or bite, Amla helps strengthen your skin, cushion your joints, and restore that youthful resilience from the inside out. It's nature's true gift for healthy aging. By adding these fruits to your daily diet, you're giving your body the natural building blocks to repair itself. In fact, studies show that a variety of collagen-boosting fruits can slow down aging, keeping your skin smooth and your joints flexible. From stronger knees to glowing skin, these nutrients help you feel younger, move better, and stay energetic at any age. Nature's secrets really can make a difference. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Repair Our Health for more natural health tips and secrets. And don't keep this info to yourself. Share this video with friends or family who want to stay youthful and pain-free. Your support truly helps us, and we appreciate you being here with us. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before making changes to your diet or treatment plan. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you on your journey to better health. Remember, small daily habits like eating these fruits can make a big difference over time. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.